Freunde, ich heiße Ananya und Sie lernen German mit Ananya. My name is Ananya and you are learning German with Ananya. Today I will share the amazing facts about Germany. So let's start. So, do you know BMW, Audis, Mercedes, Volkswagen are the inventions of Germany? Yes, the top luxury cars originated in Germany. And do you know BMW, Audi, Mercedes are also known as Germany's big three? Correct, guys. Number two, Fanta. Do you know something about Fanta? Where is so? Fanta also originated in Germany during the World War II. Yes, guys, this is originated in Germany and during the World War II. And yes, everyone likes to drink Fanta, right? So, do you know the name was inspired by a German word which is fantasy? So, from fantasy, they get the name Fanta. And the word means imagination. Fantasy means imagination. Let's see. Next is Schul tutor. So, do you know what is Schul tutor? Parents give Schul tutor to their kids on first day of their school life. So yes, guys. So parents generally give to their kids on the first day to motivate them. And yes, it is full of it is it looks like a large colorful cone which is filled with chocolates, pencils, crayons, and other stationery items. So this is very exciting for the kids as well. And yes, that's why they're very motivated. In India, there is nothing like that, but in Germany, it is very common. And I really found it very amazing. Globuli. Do you know the homeopathy pills? Yes, these are known as globuli. And these are the small and sugary tiny homeopathy pills which are originated from Deutschland. Yes, guys, this is also a origin of Germany. Used to treat patients homeopathy remedy. So this is basically your homeopathy treatment. This is for your homeopathy treatment. So you should know that these are originated from Germany. Aspirin. Do you know about this painkiller? This is a painkiller, aspirin. The painkiller which was invented in Germany and it treats your moderate pain. Yes, guys, it treats our moderate pain. Next is MP3. So, what do you mean by MP3? It is also invented in Germany and it is a digital audio coding format. I'm sure that everybody knows about this, what is MP3, but you don't know? Yes, it is invented in Germany. But do you know the full form of MP3? If you know this, then please write down in the comment box. That's all, guys. Next time, I will share more amazing facts about Germany. For now, that's all. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe, and share. Bis dann and cheers. See you and bye.